Hi, Oliver. What are you doing? You gonna start playing some games with Mama? On a new table? Good boy. Oliver, come on. You are a very good boy. Uh-oh, what happened? Happened? Get the ball, Oliver. Can you get the ball? Oh no, get it. Get it, Oliver. Put it in my hand. Oh no! What happened? Uh-oh, what happened? Get the other ball? Not the right way. That good? You ready to go back, Oliver? Nope. Good. I maybe have solved a problem I've been having. He sees birds. Huh.
Is it oregano again?
And the basil. What you doing, baby? You put it in my hand? No, you don't have to kiss it. Good boy, Oliver. Good boy. My hand? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what happened? What happened? My hand? Get it, Oliver. It's not fun.